Okay, so this is going to be a video on how I boil a whole chicken for chicken broth or chicken stock, and then you can use the chicken for casseroles or chicken salad or chicken soup. And what I'm going to go through in some of this video is certain processes of boiling the chicken. I get the best whole chicken at the store, the non-antibiotic or no preservative chicken, and I'll get some good water and fill it up, and didn't add any spice. The only thing I added was dried oregano and dried sage that I had from my garden. Just keep it kind of basic at first. And then what I'm going to go through is show you some videos on, I'm going to eventually take out the chicken and debone it and separate the meat, and then throw the bones and everything back in there and keep the chicken out. And that'll enrich the broth even more, and I'll add water if I need to, but I kind of want to keep the stock rich, and depending on the level of the water at that point. But you let it boil down like this for about an hour or two, and then once you add the bones back in, probably another hour, and then you have your stock ready for soup or all types of dishes. And I'll keep you posted here. Okay, so the chicken simmered for a few hours, and I let it turn the heat off and let it just cool down, and then the whole chicken is right there. I'm going to debone it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the whole chicken is deboned, and there's the meat. I'm going to put the bones back in the soup, let that come back to a simmer, and then may add like 1 or 2 more cups of water, and then let it go for about another hour, and then turn it off and strain it and save that broth for soup or whatever. Thank you.